Yo, back with my video game. Yeah, there you go. Let's start. All right, so we got the map pretty much done. We had just the bottom to build and the extra room. That started on the dead screen like last time too. I think we'll focus on the dead screen today. The first dead screen. Obviously, we need something like that says that you are dead. So a text. What would it be? Text edit. I think this is it, right? If I'm correct, this will be what lets me write. So what should I even put here? Right. I completely forgot. I'm not good at intros. I don't like those. But the yo-yo game, obviously here. Gonna zoom in on the yo-yo because I want to. Yo-yo game. Death screen. Last stream was Minecraft. I think I did pretty good on. No, I did not do any. I did not do good at all on that one. It was an embarrassing video, honestly. I lost a lot. Okay. Wait, what do I? Oh wow, I can do that. What should be the text? Obviously, I want this to be cool-ish. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore, but let's just go with a classic. You died. What? You died. I feel like I want to be a troll a little bit, so okay, good. I like that. I don't know why, but it's fun. Can this now? So I guess I can keep that here for now. How do I make it bigger? I can make this box bigger, but I don't know how to make text bigger. Whatever. You died. You're good. I'm gonna move these things back to the corner because they're just getting in my way, honestly. Yeah, I don't know how to make it bigger. Whatever. It's fine. This is fine, honestly. I just need the text to be written. Can I keep that like there? Pretty bottom of the screen, but in the middle-ish. I gotta figure it out to make that bigger, but otherwise it's kind of nice. It's fine. I couldn't exactly get time to figure out a way to make room 2 look nice, but who am I kidding? I didn't even try to get time. I did what I usually do. I just procrastinated and completely forgot about it. I'm gonna be honest. This does not look like as bad as I thought it did last week. It doesn't look that bad. It's still bad, but it's not the worst. Maybe I should try working on the bottom. Actually, wait. There's something I want to try. I can add an audio. think this, right? This will play sound. You know, like a audio stream player. Yeah, I want to move this thing to maybe this room here, like right there. You can hear it. Okay. So, and then volume, pitch, playing, autoplay. Now, my question is, how do I add it? Stream. Okay, new audio stream. Resource. Okay, I think I need to record. Okay, I had a. I'm just gonna be weeping. Okay, let's try this actually. Where's my recorder? Right, sound recorder. Okay, wait. I should have been prepared for this, but I need a new window. Just making a new scene on OBS so I can do this. Voice recorder. Yep, there it is, voice recorder. Alright, yep. Now let's do this. Okay, ignore those past ones. They're just old ones. Right, I have to still work on this video. I just remembered that. So you know what? We're changing the stream plan. Let me just edit the title. Alright, instead of it being Devlog 7, it is now I got sidetracked doing tracked. Actually, no, I don't want to do that. This is Devlog 7. I'm gonna call it that because I am actually doing some work. But final touches for the look, hopefully, and then got distracted. How do I spell distracted again? Oh, that's distracted. I got distracted like a few seconds in, about a few minutes in. 10 minutes. No, I'll make it 20. I'll just make it a few minutes in. Got distracted with other work. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, no, you know what? No. I'll keep it like this. Instead, in the description, I'll write, I got distracted. This is the weirdest stream I've ever done, but I am liking this so far, honestly. Okay, so the audio recording is going to be a weeping sound. Let's. I don't know why, but whenever I'm about to do recordings, I just reflectively laugh about myself. It's a weeping sound. It's also kind of like funny to me that I'm making a weeping sound. How does a weeping even sound? I guess I could technically just make it like a depressed laugh, and without having any context, it could sound like a weep. Let's see how it sounds. That sounds horrible. Deleting that. How does a weeping even go? A weep is like it's soft, kind of like high pitched sounds in it. I just trying to simulate crying here. How do you cry? What's it sound like when you cry exactly? It's been a few months. It's been a few while since I did that. Like that. Is that it? You know what? That'll work. Rename it crying. He's not like the worst thing I've actually recorded ever. Um, how do I add this now? Let me just go to my recordings. It should be in here, and then where's the recordings? I have, here it is. Yep, the crying one is right here. Does that work? How do I add this? Can I just drag it to his? No, I can't do that. No, new resource. Nope, not that. Oh, I have a file manager. I didn't even know that. I have like that in here. It's always on my files. I didn't even know this. So technically I could, actually, technically speaking, I could just drop it here. This destination has already been filled. Oh, there's already, yeah, there already is a crying file. I already have one. So, quick load. No, load. No, I can't do that. I have it in there though. But if I went in File Manager, in the files, there is a audio of called crying. I just realized my thing you didn't hear. I completely forgot. I had the sound muted on my monitor, desktop. Here, this is what it sounded like. I hate myself so much for doing this. I don't like that sound. I don't know why, it just feels unnatural. Like doing something that's weird-ish. Import. Project. Where is it exactly? This the file is in my actual files thing, but I can't find it in here. Yeah, okay. How do I do this exactly? What do I do? I don't even know if this is. Just delete that, because it's probably useless if I can't do it. This is gonna be a bit tricky. I want to try to get that done first before I do anything else. So we are going to be going on something I like to call educational journey. Yes, I know, we have to learn, but as long as it's something we like to learn, I don't really matter to me if I have to learn, if I like it. I'm just gonna Google it maybe. Yeah, let's just Google it. Where's Google? Googling. No, actually, no, I don't even know what I'm Googling. Can an MP? This is an MP4 file, right? Properties. I need to see properties. It's an MA4 file. It's an .m4a file. Okay, it's an M4a file. So can M4a files be? That's the only way my recordings are actually shown. That's how all my recordings go. So can I actually not add this? Why? So other file. You guys can't see the rest of this because I don't want any of this being seen. New audio stream. Resource. Local to scene. No. Then if I click and drag this here, nothing happens. What? Oh wait. Locked or lacking permission. What? Why? Why would I be locked or lacking permission? This is an interesting. I don't understand. All files. Alright, yeah. All files. Where is it now? Here it is. Undo that. Then load all files. The MP4 is it? Here, this one. No, it does not load. Okay, it's not loading. Can I record in Godot? I have the microphone thing here, but does that do anything for me? Okay, while I'm here, I might as well just remove this from. It's not doing anything. I saw another thing. Here, what is this exactly? Okay, it's just nothing. It's like a something. Okay, remove those. I have the crying thing saved just in case I want to use it later. But can't do that because I had to figure out how to do that. It's just complicated, yo. Wait, no, not that. I want to click and make unique. What does that mean? Make unique. Ooh. 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 I got sidetracked again. No, I'll keep that there just for when I wanted to use it. What was I doing again? Yeah, I have to do actual some work here because if otherwise it's kind of. No, I did do some work, but that didn't count. I want to complete some work for this before I move on to anything else. I wanted to do this so badly, honestly. It just feels like it would be nice, honestly. It would have been nice to finish this. How do I have to start the start script again? I know it for 3Ds, right? Here, I just need a refresher. 1 sec. Okay, now I remember. Oh, I gotta start with the speed, so it's gonna be. Let's start with a high number so I can see it move. Var speed is equal to 200. I think that's a good starting point. Then it's function. I gotta add physics. Physics underscore process underscore. Wait, is that not delta? Can't read the colon. Why is it like saying that? It's in a class body. This is so confusing. Oh my gosh. Okay. Anything that has any problems, I'll come back to fix it. But that function is correct, I think. So it's var input dot underscore vector equals vector 2 point, forgotten capitals, cannot forget capitals, 0, yes, wait, okay, 1 second, you just fix. Okay, yeah, I figured it out. See, so right, there's had to be a space. Okay, that was the. Oh my god, that's such a small thing too. This is like. This is why coding is so hard for me usually, but it's still fun. I love it. Input underscore vector, input underscore vector. What? Dot x equals input dot get input dot get action strength UI underscore right, then wait, why is like that, underscore right minus input dot get underscore action raw strength UI underscore left. Okay, and then copy this, paste it there, and then change UI rut and left, up and down, down and up, and then input vector, put underscore vector equals input dot underscore vector dot normalized brackets, then for here, velocity equals input underscore vector times speed, and then move and slide underscore slide. Oh wait, move and slide. Yeah, there we go. Some errors I see. Input vector is not clarified. I do have it though. It's right here. Input vector equals vector. Oh wait, I misspelled input here. Ah, there we go. Fixed it all. That's good. I knew it wasn't that bad. Okay, Control S. All right, then come here. No, here. Let me just click play. Wait, I forgot one more step. But have it open, and then I'll just give me a second so that you can see this. Game capture. My game. Okay, this one. Yeah, there we go. Now we can see the game. That's good. But close that for now. I needed to go to project settings and then go to, what is it? Run, no, input map, then action, add new action. Wait, I just remembered, for the script, some of them won't be needed, so up and down, this is not needed. Completely forgot, I'm not moving up and down in this. There's no jumping, crouching, only right and left. So I need less work to do, which is good. Add new action, move right, underscore right. All right, added that. Then add key. No, wait. This should be UI underscore right. Because it has to be the same name, otherwise it won't work. What? Where? Then delete this. Where's the already one then? Okay, wait, I don't think I need to do that then. Wait, let's just click play. Then, oh, I can move with my arrows at least. Okay, I need to add gravity to this. And collisions to make sure it doesn't just, but it works. Look at that, I'm making progress. Okay, this needs gravity. I don't remember how did I do gravity last time? Also, the speed's fine, I think. But I do have to change the input because right now it's using my arrows instead of A and D. We have another error. What happens if I just remove delta? Will it do anything to this? Control S. Okay, yeah, I need the delta. Otherwise, an arrow, but it also gives me an arrow without it, so. If I put underscore, will that also give me an error? No, it's fine. That doesn't really do anything. But what happens if I play the game? Will it change anything? No, it's fine, even with the underscore. But I might have to change that, so it's fine. Gravity. I need to add gravity. So how do I add gravity again? Let's search it up. You know, I don't want to. I know how to do this. I need to go back to my old one, but I don't want us to leave this. Wait, I can check the files, can't I? I have the files for that one too. Should be in my documents. What was the last game called again? Game 1. Scripts. Character body. Put it in Notepad. I just want to see it once. Okay, I can now see everything that I had. Wait, what is going on here? I need to pause. Because my stream is just... Why do I have 2 of these? Oh, I see it. The my game thing is glitching out. Is it? No, I don't even know. What was that second screen? I need to... Before I continue, I gotta know. Was there any problems in the stream? Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah, for some reason 2 just appeared while I was coding. But it should be fine, I think. I fixed that. Technical difficulties. The daily life, everybody, right? It's normal things. Right, what was I looking? I was looking at my notepad. Okay, movement, camera control, crouching, head bobbing. Where's gravity? I need gravity. Physics. Okay. Okay, here it is, gravity. If nice floor velocity y gravity delta can jump equals false. Okay, here. What is that sound? Sounds like an airplane. I don't even know what it is though. Okay, if I just use this here, will this work? Never tried this, but let's see. I'm gonna try my gravity thing. Obviously, before that, I think. So here. Does that, okay. Gravity's not clear in the current scope. Okay, it's not declared. Did I have it declared before? But this is completely different code because this is for 3D and I'm using 2D right now. But I should have a variable for it, right? Gravity, yeah, var gravity equals, I had a variable for it. So if it's var gravity equals, I have here at 20. So should I think I can try 20, right? Delta is not declared in the current scope. Okay, how do I fix that now? If I remove this, yeah, there we go. Let's try that. Let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, there's no gravity on it. If not on floor. I have the variable for gravity, so the if once its gravity is decided, it'll pull me down at like 20. I don't know if I should have a point 2, but I have a point. I have points here. No, I think it's fine because the speed is working fine without it. I'm just going through this right here, seeing if there's anything I'm missing for. I don't know if there's anything I'm missing here because I have the variable, right? That's good. But if not on floor, the velocity of y will equal to gravity and delta. Is there anything that I need before this to make it work properly? Oh, that's in a physics, wait, that's in physics processing delta. Okay, yes, that's correct. Physics process delta, that's in there. Okay, okay, I don't know if I can do this because in the 3D game it was for this jumping was for gravity and jumping with holding jump. So if you couldn't jump twice, you couldn't double jump. So I don't know. If not, is on floor. Was there something for the is on floor here that I needed? Return stream. Floor max angle in up direction. Okay, I'm gonna have to try something else. It was a smart idea, I guess. Just not the idea I needed. Okay. Well, the good thing is I at least have this. Oh, wait, I can also try one thing. If I can input... I can add a jump. So input underscore vector dot y, right? Because you'll be going up and down. If I'm correct. Equals input. What's the error? Input dot get action raw strength and UI up. No, it's jump, right? Would jump work? What is this here? Not declared. Okay. UI up. If I do UI up, it'll just. Wait, it's it has to be a string, right? It's a name. Jump. Right. That's what I need to do. Yeah, jump should make it so that you go up, but then you need to come down. So try this 1 sec. So if I click, okay, input map. So move right. I just remembered I can add move right, and then change this to a keys A. Did I click it? So many numbers. Here it is. 8. Okay. And then another action for move left. That's not left. Left. And make this. Oh wait, I mixed it up. This one needs to be A. And this one needs to be D, right? Yeah. Okay. Then I need to add a jump. I think this will work, right? And then make this spacebar. Okay. So I have input mapped it out. And then I should replace this with move right and move left to make it WXT. Move Control S, C. Okay, that works. One thing though, spacebar can go down. You could see that, right? I just wanted to. Okay, and the same thing happened again. Why does this keep happening? Yeah. So I'm gonna keep this OBS open on the screen. Okay. Yes, I see this. Okay, you can't even see my game. This keep thing just keeps appearing like this. I think I can edit this though. I need to change this to this one. Change this here. No, not that one. It's the debug one, right? It's on the right one. Okay, and then if I click the play button, this appears, but not my game. Problem. That's a problem. This is a big problem. But I have more things open. Okay, there you go. Fixed it. You can see it again. Alright, so when we're playing WASD, wait. Something's moving. What's going on? It was working just a second ago. Okay, now this is bugging out again. Nothing is going my way. Literally nothing. What is going on? Okay. So this will work now? What? Oh. Why am I typing? What was I typing there? Alright, you can see it. Yeah, WASD works great, but space, and I go down. So I gotta fix that only. So it's gonna be with this one. Okay, I need to fix this one. This is the one line that's bugging out a bit. It's moving in the wrong direction. Can I, wait. There we go, fixed anything. No, it's back again. What's going on? There's nothing there. Okay, it's gonna keep it hidden. You know what? I think I'll call it a day for this. Okay, let's just save, Control S, and then bring it there. Okay, I have made actual progress once again. So I didn't actually do what was intended of the day. But you know what? That's what life is about. The unexpected. I don't know why this is getting so serious. But yes, I got actual progress done with coding. So we're on the right steps. I'm thinking next time, I'll figure out how to fix that. I'll just figure out how to follow the jump thing and just fix all of this specifically, and probably research everything completely so that I know what I'm doing. But it should be good. Control S here too. There is one thing I wanted to maybe try working on one last time before. You know what? How long are we going? We're going for 40 minutes. Yeah, I think I can actually do that. Let's just open up this. Just gonna make sure it'll work fine. I just realized I still have the audio recording thing open. Okay, so which one is it? Which one am I working on? Is this one the new one? Right. Okay, yeah, this is the one I was... Oh, wait, what? How is it lost? I have to re-upload it again, I guess? Well, I have the file, so it should be fine. Okay, let's... Full screen. Well, I got my answer to that, so I can actually work on that again later. I won't work on that now, but just for the funs of it. I'm turning on the soundbite for sure. It's growing on me, kind of. It still feels weird. I don't like the sound of that. It feels like something is wrong, and not like in a that kind of way, but it means like, how do I explain it exactly? It feels unnatural. Something that I wouldn't ever do, or not like I have done it, but it's something I don't do anymore at all because it just like it feels awkward, right? It can feel awkward sometimes, but it's the contrast between me laughing at this and the sounds of my. This is hilarious. I don't know why I find this funny. This is so weird. Um. And I also have to. I just remembered. I have to also work on fixing the perspective and audio recording. I have to figure out how to get that audio thing working again. What's this debug here? Right, it's never used, but I'll have to use it eventually. So I'll keep it. Everything's saved, so I can close that. Please. Okay, good. It's nothing lagged. And it's funny. It's very funny actually. And no one's ever gonna hear that. Actually, no, everyone's gonna hear that. I, I wonder what my laugh sounds like. I'm gonna try recording that. Let's see that. Wait, I'm not laughing. I don't know how to laugh on command. So okay, it's not getting me to laugh anymore. You know what? That's not bad. I'm gonna rename this to laughter. Laughing. I'll probably change it a bit, but it's the best I'll have for now. I can close that. I still haven't added an outro board, but for now we can just do black screens. So and my mouse is not here, but just imagine my mouse is on the screen and just rolling out in circles. Imagination. Imagine I'm doing the rainbow thing from SpongeBob. You can hear my shoulder cracking, I think, right? Yeah, you can. I don't know if I'm getting sidetracked a lot today. I think I've spent like 20 to 30 minutes just me on getting sidetracked. Okay, the sound stop. That's not bad. That's kind of sad. Okay, outro. Got to work on that. I got like a semi intro with the yo-yo thing. The pun is. It still feels so weird doing intros, but outros also feel weird. Okay, it was nice seeing you all. Well, I didn't see anyone. There's no one here. It's just me talking to myself. You know what the difference between insanity is? doing the same thing over and over, expecting a different result. Am I insane? Nah, I'm fine. Oh, it actually does move on the screen though. That's nice to see. So, I will see you on Friday. Maybe. I have maybe some scheduling conflicts coming up soon. So, bye. Have a nice rest of the week. Have a nice night. And don't let the bed bugs bite.